The mixed activity generator is really something special when it comes to reviewing and unit testing and state testing and finals and all of that. So you, from the activity view, are able to pick mixed activity accelerator, and you're able to generate a mixed activity set. And so sometimes you can include multiple units, but sometimes you need to work within the same unit if there's graphing included. So let's say that I want to do just a whole bunch of stuff on graphing. If I wanted to have graphing quadratic equations, and I wanted to have graphing linear inequalities, and I wanted to have slope intercept form as well. And then, so all of these are going to contain graphs. So that's why I can put them together and the others are blurred out. Let's say that I wanted to have 3 quadratic, integer vertex, integer roots. I like that. And graphing linear inequalities. Let's just do 2 of those. Allowing horizontal lines is fine. Slope intercept form, I don't want to allow horizontal lines. And let's do 5 of those. So then it's telling me down here that I can build my mixed set. I can reset the sections really quickly. It tells me how many topics and how many problems I have. And then I just click build mixed set. And then from here, it's the same navigation that you're always used to. So you can do a review, cut and paste activity. How fun is that? I've literally never seen that before, being able to do such an easy mixed review. You can do a scavenger hunt. You can also shuffle the order of problems, yes or no. And so that can be helpful if you want to do that. And you can do slides if you want to go through and you want to generate new problems. If you want to just change the order of that and have them just go one at a time through these kind of as a competition. Okay, do this one with your team, or mini whiteboards, put that up. That would be a really great, fun thing to do. Of course, you can also do a worksheet. And then let's say you needed another version of the worksheet. You just click generate new problems, and it is going to generate an entirely new worksheet for you. But keeping the problem types the same, it's just going to generate different numbers to go in here. And of course, it's going to have an answer key as well. So that's a really fun way to use the mixed activity generator. Another really fun way to use it would be for thin slicing. So let's say that we wanted to thin slice a whole bunch of these types of questions. I'm just going to do one of each for thin slicing. And then I'm going to click build a mix set. And if I wanted to do these as a slide, I could. I'm going to click worksheet because it's easier to see them all here. And I could generate new problems if I wanted to. But basically, I can, once I print these, I can put them in the order that I want to thin slice for my kids. And so that's a really powerful way to use this as well. And so again, if it were slides and I printed 4 to a page, then I could just hand these out to students at their vertical non-permanent surfaces and be ready to help them thin slice from one to the next. So I hope that's helpful.